Hi, today we're going to talk about e-commerce business and understand how you can keep track of your e-commerce business expenses in one Notion template. Before that, let me quickly turn off my webcam so that you get a complete view of the screen. So the template that we're going to talk about is the e-commerce fulfillment cost tracker, where you can define all the expenses and keep track of e-commerce business. So as you can see, we have got a category section on the top, which defines the different categories for the expenses. And then we have a summary section which reflects all the particular expenses happening in the business. So first of all, under the category, for every category, you have a budgeted expense value, which you can click and define as per your own use case. So I'm currently defining the budgeted expense over here. And for the actual expenses, it is being pulled from the table at the bottom. Here you can define all the expenses related to different categories and it will automatically update from the top. Okay. So as an example, I'm going to update this transportation category expense. As I do that, you can see the values getting updated at the same time at the top. And there's also a percentage indicator which indicates how much of the budgeted expense was incurred in comparison to the actual expense. And finally, if you want to edit any of the category, click on this pencil icon and you can start to put in the value and it will automatically edit the value. And besides this, you also have an option to add a new category. Click on this new page and a new category will be added. And if you want to delete any of the category, click on this three dot and click on delete. The particular category will be deleted for your use case as well. Finally, under the summary section, you can see the total budgeted expense. This is nothing but being pulled from the budgeted expense value defined earlier. And then we have an actual expenses, which is being pulled from the expenses table at the bottom. The difference in between the both and the percentage of actual expenses incurred so far. So this template can be used to track your e-commerce fulfillment cost expenses. Again, this template is entirely customizable for your requirement. If you need any customization, feel free to reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com and I'll be happy to assist you on this further. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.